phakathi kwayo namhlanje bekuhlangene iLLE ngakube mhlawumbe sesifike kulesigaba lesi abantu make bezwa nje kuthiwa cha kuhlangane kukhulunywa ngezemisebenzi babe baningi kangaka.
Umfowethu kahle kahle sizobuyela kuleya idea yokuqala. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi asiqala ukubonana mina nawe sihlangene ngokuxoshwa kwabantu bokufika la ezweni lethu. Sithi namanje njengoba sila kwiLLE sizosupporta ideology yokuthi abahambe mhla 30 June sewashaya mangothi uya notice. Kodwa namhlanje still we have inkampani njengaleya lesigcine kuyona ukumasha ela eSydney ena 100% employed ya abantu bangaphandle. So namanje we still implementing le idea ukuthi abantu bokufika ezweni lethu abamukelekile because bazolutha yona lemisebenzi emele ngabe occupy odadewethu nabafowethu.
Hayi into phakathi kwayo nokukhulunywa abantu kakhulu I mean these Arabs companies zamaSulumane ekhala ngokuthi yizo kakhulu ezinokuvelela kubantu abaqasha labantu bokufika.
Laba bantu mfethu into engingayisho ukuze ubone ukuthi ubukhonyovu babenza kanjani mawukuthi sizothi ukuhlehla sithi uku-unpack i-background yabo mawukuthi uyazi mfethu iSulumane alibank ebank iSulumane libanka ngocash. So that is why ungeuze ukwazi ukulandelela iSulumane ukuthi liqashe abantu kanjani because alinayo into ezoba yi-pay slip yomuntu amqashile but uzomholela cash. That is why you find abantu bakithi abaqashiwe amaSulumane bexhaphazeka ngendlela engaqondakala. That is why ubabona beqasha amakwerekwere ngoba bayazi bazowatshela isinomi kanjani because abanayo into ephathekayo such as pay slip ezothi mangifuna ukuyocomplaina enyunyanini ukuthi ngiyahlukumezeka emsebenzini engikuwona abanayo into ebufakazi ukuthi ngiqashiwe permanent kanje na i-pay slip yami.
Mhlambe lokhu okwenzekayo can we call it a modern day slavery?
Ngeke ngize ngithi slavery mfowethu ngoba amongst labantu abaqashiwe kunabantu bokufika. If we wanted to fight into yaka slavery fanele ngabe siyilwela abantu bakuleliso asikwazi ukulwa into ye slavery ekubeni amongst abantu abasebenza kunabantu bokufika should masilwa thina sesilwelwa nalabo bokufika engamele ngabe bakhona. So asikwazi categorize noma siyiphrase as modern day slavery but up until sekhambile laba bokufika sekusele abantu bakithi bodwa sebekhala ngeenkinga ababhekana nazo enkundleni yomsebenzi then we can call it a modern day slavery ngoba sobe sesilwela lapho ukuhlukunyezwa komsebenzi webala lakithi elimnyama umZulu umXhosa umSuthu uMpedi kanjalo wena mfethu.
Mfethu upresident wase South Africa yathi ama-unrest asenzekile for isikhathi eside kodwa akakabi nezwi elimile elizokwenza ukuthi abantu babe nehope kule situation. Thini ukuphawula kwakho?
Mina ngokwami nje uPaul ngiyathanda ngoba bafo uyenza lento kube opinion yami. Mina ngokwami bafo eSouth Africa sinayo president sengaze ngamwriter off because even inqumo ayithathayo it doesn't show ukuthi upresident. Is indlela enza ngayo fanele ngabe usesukumile if you speak about a person who is at a level of presidency lo umuntu oyena okwazi ukuthatha isinqumo sokugcina uyena umuntu ekumele ngabe uthatha ama decisions upon izinto ezenzekayo ezweni but ngikhombisa ukuthi akana backbone noma lesikhundla abekwe kusona akayazi into ekumele ayenze njengoba lapha phezulu. So mina la eSouth Africa sifana njengabantu abangenayo president.
Sesizovala nje mfethu ake sibheke issue yamaphoyisa sokhumbula ukuthi imadlanga ihleli lapha then kunabantu abanjenganoKhan Major General kwi-crime intelligence abagcine bese ibhedlela ngoba naku kumele bavele kwi-commissioner kaMadlanga.
Usukude kakhulu uma usuyilanda lapha eMadlanga nakoKhan ifuna siyiqale la kumaphoyisa asebenzela umphakathi mfethu asikwazi njengo station commander lo ade lapha ethi uNyawoza asikwazi ukuthi sithi senza a peaceful march and we want to lies with umnikazi wenkampani ukuthi ndoda bangakanani abantu baqashile bokufika okay asisho leso sibalo then bese yamtshela ukuthi okay ngomthetho othi 1 2 3 4 awuvumelekile ukuthi uqashe abantu bokufika but mase kuqhamuka amaphoyisa azovikela yena lo mnikazi wendawo ukuthi kunegotiate because kuyokhulunywa lapha bengakabimbi. This shows ukuthi kunamaphoyisa asebenza ngaphansi kwa government asadla kulabantu bokufika asadla kuma owners aqashe abantu bokufika abangaphandle awukwazi ukuthi uzovimba into yokukhuluma because it's a verbal negotiation akekho umuntu obezolwa akekho umuntu njengoba ade senza sisukele eMall side sizafika la sesitnem manje zonke inkampani ebengenwa kuzona bebevumela ukuthi upresident we-LLE angene nesigungu sakhe akwazi ukunegotiate abaxoxisane nomphathi ukuthi okay siyakubona ukuthi ngoba phela mfethu lento akumele siyenze ngathi iyimpi ayikabi impi no ayikabi impi okwamanje is just verbal agreement ukuthi okay bengiganga ungibambile sizolungisa kanjani then we get a way forward ukuthi siya kanjani phambili but lento enziwe uNyawose laphana it shows ukuthi unokungale thina abantu abangaqashiwe njengami nawe nabanye abafuthi ade sigijimana esingakwazi abavumelana ngakho umnikazi wenkampani nokomanda wesiteshi samaphoyisa uNyawose.
Ngabe sofika yini esikhathini whereby most of these Arab companies ezila eSouth Africa zizomitha u31 rand noma 32 rand oyi minimum wage?
Ngizophinda ngibuyele la mfowethu the person ekumele ngabe uqinisa lo mthetho isuka lapha ekhanda from president. That is why ngithi mina asinayo upresident because when it comes to amending the principles our constitution of South Africa that is the person umuntu ekumele ahlalise i-press briefing noma i-press conference ne-cabinet yase South Africa as a whole ukuthi kuneminye imithetho ekumele icindezelwe kakhulu noma ku-implementwe kukhonjiswe ukuthi no lo mthetho uyasebenza South Africa because if we go back and refer to a constitution of South Africa kunemthetho ebhaliwe laphana kodwa mawuthi uyabona ezweni around the communities ayisebenzi leyo mthetho abanye bamabhizinisi amanye ama-stakeholders awayisebenzisi yonke le mthetho so why is there a law in the constitution of South Africa apply komunye wama-business owners we have we have a constitution nakuma unions alekelela abasebenzi should ever bengaphathekile kahle enkampanini nabo banama constitutions which leyo mthetho must be exercised within the working sector so asikwazi ukuthi sigijime sojakoka noba no ekubeni la egroundini yabo uthi omunye ngelinye ilanga mawufuna ukushaya ibutho ushaya ikhanda qala ukuze kudilike konke nomzimba so makubheda thina ekhanda lapha such as uCyril Ramaphosa asikazoya ndawo thina ezweni lethu.
Usuku lokugcina kwakumnqamlajuqu i30 sedlulile laba basele wena njengophakathi awo uthi akwenziwe njani?
Mfowethu ngizohlambe ngizokutshela lento ukuthi mina I support i-ideology yokuthi abahambe I don't support any organization besides that I'm an MK Youth League yabo and uzongithola ka March and March uzongithola ka Nsizwa noMtsizwa uzongithola ka LLE uzongithola ka lakho because all in all now we are supporting the vision not the organization itself but we are supporting the vision yokuthi akuphumi kwerekwere ngene umuntu phumi kwerekwere ngene umuntu makuthiwa abahambe if ngisho ngathiwa manje ANC ithi chief abahambe we will support ANC because we supporting the idea not the organization we're not supporting the decision of the ANC we're not supporting the decision of any organization but the ideology abaqhamuka namakuthiwa abahambe this is one of the reasons abahambe is because kunenkampani enjengalezi egashe 100% foreigners yabo so uzongithola konke le ndawo ingakho namanje ngithi mina akuphumi kwerekwere ungena umuntu.